Welcome to our comparison of the CINCOM leg massager and the Medcursor foot massager. In this video, we will explore how these two devices can help with circulation, pain relief, and conditions like plantar fasciitis. Both products are priced at $69 and offer unique features that cater to different needs. Let's dive in. The CINCOM leg massager is designed for circulation improvement and pain relief, utilizing air compression to target the calves, arms, and thighs. It's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for users on the go. In contrast, the Medcursor foot massager focuses exclusively on the feet, offering deep kneading and rolling massage techniques, along with a soothing heat function to enhance relaxation and relieve foot fatigue. Both products are priced at $69 and are powered by corded electricity. The CINCOM leg massager features air compression with 2 modes and 3 intensity settings, while the Medcursor foot massager offers shiatsu deep kneading with a heat function. The CINCOM is portable at 2.31 pounds, whereas the Medcursor is a stationary device weighing 5 pounds. The CINCOM leg massager is highly portable and effective for circulation issues, but it lacks a heat function and deep kneading capabilities. On the other hand, the Medcursor foot massager provides intense shiatsu massage and heat, making it excellent for foot pain relief, but it is bulkier and less portable. In conclusion, the choice between the CINCOM leg massager and the Medcursor foot massager depends on your specific needs. If you require a portable solution for circulation and muscle relaxation, the CINCOM is a great choice. However, if you are looking for targeted relief for foot pain with the added benefit of heat, the Medcursor is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.